We are the
Pineapple Family!
Good morning, pineapples. Hello. Say hi.
Hello!
Hi. So today is going to be another vlog. It's gonna be a raw vlog again. Because, you know. Malakatanis mami, ha? Huh? Bye-bye, Aniga, ha? So we're going to pick up a plant rack. And let's go. So we're so we're now heading to pick up the plant rack na in-order ni Honey Pie. Hindi nga gusto ko no. Kuno tapos
go sa right. No. Kala.
so ara na ang plant rack na in-order ni Daddy Pineapple. Yeah. Ang tricycle ni naiya ka neighbor namon. Drive si Polpol. And there you go. We are making a little bit of arrangement na naman dito sa amon nga yard, and that's the reason why nga may ara na naman si Daddy Pineapple nga gin-order nga plant rack. So see you later kung anong outcomes ng amon nga arrangement. Raw vlog lang kami anay kay parang hindi kid mag-take some time para sa edit because we don't really have enough time to edit, especially that we are still adjusting and adapting to this new normal. So the whole day nga online ka, online classes ang bata, tapos damo pang mga online something ang ginaobra, plus pa sa mga household chores. So we don't really have time, so that's the reason why as well nga daw laka na lang kami mag-upload, and we only upload maybe after a week na, because before we can upload like 3 times or almost every day, 3 times a week or almost every day upload kami. But this time, since you know things changed after this new normal, so we are still on the process of adapting to it and adjusting to it. So hopefully soon maging okay na, but you know, we're not gonna leave this channel behind. We're still going to update from time to time, or every time nga may ara kami sang extra time, we will. So that's it. So back na, Daddy Pineapple is back, and Paul is already on his way home. So siya lang madulong. Okay, let's go home. So we're here in Asa house. Si Jisra. And here is the plant rack. So we're planning to put it here at this side. Kaya parang may tulong-tungan ng mga plants ng iban. And later and later this afternoon, we're going to repot some of the seedlings. Mga siblings? Anong siblings man? Repot kami sin kay daw kadabo na gitong siya yun. Bushy na siya, so we're going to take off some of the anthurium, peace lilies, and I will give it to my sister-in-laws kay kapangayo sila. So yeah, the weather is not good because may bagyo na naman nga gapaabot, and diri sa Visayas gid ang iya target, but mas okay nga mag-plant ka kung nagaulan-ulan para nga manami ang tubo sang mga plants. So, we're going to check later if ano ng outcome. Okay? See you later! Sulay sa ulan si Daddy Pineapple. Kaya wala choice. It's because nga may bagyo. So, naligo man na sa. So, palihon ang mga bato kay kwao na lang na siya. Cause, para nga magdabong pagid. Okay, wait lang.
I have a snail,
Olat. Amo na guro ga ano. May snail, oh. I have to help Anay Daddy Pineapple. I will update you later. So, kita nyo, ha? Kita nyo na yung mga bato nga ging removed. English, get ko, no? So, these are the stones that we have removed from the plants. Because we realize that it prohibits ila growth. And although manami, tanig man siya kung may mga bato-bato sa babaw. However, we wanted it to grow more and more bushy pa in the future. And may araman siya nga, may mga singil naman that we need to remove and give it to others. So, so many, oh. So we are going to replace it with soil. So instead of stones, soil na lang ibutang namon da.
Mga 6 sacks dani, ano?
6 sacks of soil, of stones. So,
On.
we're just going to clean up the stones kay amo na siya i-keep for future purposes or for future projects na naman. And I'm going to put it inside the sacks. Presenting Ampoy! Thank you, Poy, for helping. Oh, nakasipi na ko sa iban, manipi pagid ko di kay para nga may hatag na naman ako sa ila. Ay na ako nasipi, oh. So, ari na, ipang-ripat ko, ipang-hatag ko. And that's how it looks like as of the moment. Okay man gyapon, dudabong man siya gyapon. I know nga matubo pag man na siya. Amo ng plant truck. Na siya nga i-silo dira kag i-arrange. Cleaning up the area na where we are going to put the plant truck.
Kita ko din ano, guma pag ano, may guma kung dala no.
Ginadugangan na, we're adding up the soil na. Isa na lang ko na po eh. So here is the area nga may plant rock. Hindi pa gid siya masyado arrange pa. Kay giinulan na, sulay sa ulan. Done. So we're done with our gardening session for today, even though it's raining. And the pineapple is there now, cleaning up of the things we've used for the garden. And here na, dan. Glimpse lang na anay, kay dason ko lang kamo itour liwat. Clean na ang amon niya tools. So next time na lang kamo namon itour around sa amon niya little garden. See you next time. Bye!